100,000 followers on TikTok in less than 1 month.
Are you late? Yeah.
Yo,
For everyone who wants to go viral on TikTok just like I did, here are my tips. So first, let's talk about the algorithm. The 2 requirements for a video to go viral on TikTok is retention and an audience mark. Some great ways to increase your retention is, number 1, talk really fast for the first 4 seconds. This way people can't scroll past the video because the insane amount of info the audience is getting. Number 2, make sure you and your camera are moving at the start of the video. Movement in the start of a video creates a psychological effect on the viewer's brain not to click off at the start. Number 3, deliver punchline at the end. If you deliver the punchline way too early, the viewer will think the video is over and they'll scroll off. So you have to make sure they watch the full video. And last but not least, I had a total of 26 videos that had a good retention, but more than half of them didn't even go viral because I didn't set a market audience for it. So to show you how to create a market audience, I'm going to give you 2 examples where I targeted the market audience perfectly. For example number 1, it would be this video where I mimicked TikTok pranks. When I was making this video, I realized it was very similar to a video that Joe Bartolozzi, a famous TikToker, reacted to. To target his viewers, I used a sound he uses sometimes, put a hashtag Joe uses a lot, and made sure to spam some comments on the video tagging Joe Bartolozzi. This way, TikTok knows that this video has to be sent to Joe Bartolozzi view. And it's the reason why the video went viral. Last but not least, the biggest way to go viral currently is to lip sync someone's audio. There is this creator that went from 0 to 1.1 million followers in less than 2 months, and that could be